How's it going, everybody? Hope you're all doing well. So I wanted to give you a quick gear item that I really enjoy that's attached to my get home bag or bug out bag. Now, they are specifically pouches, honestly, dump pouches on the side that are specifically attached to the waist belt. So I like having large capacity bags or some sort of carrying, bags on the side. What this allows me to do is, as I'm progressing through maybe get home situation, going from point A to point B, along my route, I can collect things. If I see something, maybe specific berries or wild edibles, I can place those in an easy to get location. Or if I'm moving through, a particular area and I find a bunch of great tinder-based material for, like, let's say a bird's nest or something like that for my fire later on in the evening or at night. Regardless, maybe I might even not decide to have a fire, but now I have some type of, fire material or whatever else you collected along the way. Now they can also be used as utilitarian basis. You can put your land nav stuff in there if you like, and specifically what I normally use the left one for at night, at least, is for my night vision device. My PVS 14 rides there. Now I run night vision, most of you may know if you're familiar with the channel, as a get home bag, bug out bag kind of aspect. It conceals you night. Most people sleep at night and most people are awake during the day. So if you flip that, you're less likely to probably have an opposition or come upon someone in a really bad scenario or environment. And I can slip around people. So honestly, my device will stay right here with me and I'll be progressing through. And then when I need it, I can flip it on over my head and observe things. Now you can also use it for other things like, say, water bottle, easy access. It's a lot easier than trying to put this stuff back in the sides, especially like canteen and whatnot. You can just easily drop it in and not worry about it. Maybe you can have one for your, water purification kit or one for land nav, whatever you want to do with it. This is what I run. I run these two. These are both the Maxpedition dump pouches, the medium-sized ones. There is another one on the market that I have, but it's on my specific duty gear, which I use at work. But they are Blue Alpha Gear, the Blue Force Gear 10-speed dump pouch, and they're super lightweight. Like, I think they're 2 to 3 ounces. I know these are coming in, I think 6 or 7 ounces, somewhere around there. And I always try to bring down weight a lot. So I am going to probably transition to those, but these work a great deal, and I really enjoyed them. Now they're kind of set up on little hangers, and that's how I have them. So I wouldn't put a ton of weight, like not a gallon of water or something in them. I don't know if they would hold up to that with these clips, but for smaller stuff like that, it's definitely an A+ in my book, and I would definitely recommend you looking into the fact of maybe adding some utilitarian-based space. So if you all like this kind of stuff and want to see like more locations and more tips like this for, bug out bag, get home bag, or just preparation in general, or maybe land nav stuff, all that kind of stuff, definitely hit like, subscribe, leave me a comment listed below. Have you already ran this type of stuff? Is this something new that you just randomly came upon in my channel? Hopefully it's a good recommendation for you. Also, I want to thank my Patreons. I greatly appreciate it. You guys literally allow me to do this type of stuff. Come out here and enjoy, especially good quality, giving you good quality images, footage, and audio so y'all have a better experience. That's who's literally contributing and making this channel better for all the users and the viewers out there. So I greatly appreciate it, and I hope y'all have a great day.